One of the first questions families ask after deciding it's time for mom or dad to move is this: how much do we need to fix before we sell the house? Should we remodel the kitchen, replace the carpet, paint every room, install new flooring? Or should we just simply sell the home as it is? If you're helping parents, grandparents in Vancouver, Camas, Ridgefield, Battleground, Washougal, really anywhere in Clark County, this decision could mean the difference between spending thousands of dollars unnecessarily or making smart improvements that actually help the sale. Today, I'll walk you through how to think about that decision and make sure that you don't make huge mistakes that we see families make. Step 1, don't assume every house needs remodeling. This is probably the biggest misconception in real estate. Families often believe nobody will buy this house unless we renovate everything. That simply isn't true. Many buyers throughout Clark County are looking for homes that they can personalize themselves. Some buyers want a move-in ready home. Others specifically want a home that they can update over time. The right strategy truly depends on the home's condition, the neighborhood, the current market conditions, the likely buyer. Every home is different. That's why a blanket advice rarely works. Step 2, know the difference between repairs and upgrades. This distinction can save families a lot of money. Repairs are things that keep homes functioning properly. For example, a leaky roof, broken windows, plumbing issues, safety concerns, electrical problems. Upgrades or cosmetic improvements are things like brand new countertops, a full kitchen remodel, designer lighting, luxury flooring, high-end appliances. Many families spend money on upgrading when simple repairs and good presentation would have been enough. Understanding that difference is one of the most important parts of preparing a home for sale. Step 3, clean beats expensive. If I could give families only one piece of advice, it would be this: a clean house almost always makes a stronger impression than an expensive remodel. Simple things matter. Fresh, clean windows, clean flooring, trimmed landscape, working light bulbs, decluttered rooms. A well-maintained appearance tells buyers that the home has been cared for. Those improvements are often much more cost-effective than major renovations. Step 4, every dollar should have a purpose. Before spending money, ask one question: will this improvement help us achieve our goals? Sometimes the answer is yes, sometimes it's no. For example, spending several $1,000s on a remodel shortly before selling may not increase the home's value enough to justify the cost. On the other hand, addressing deferred maintenance or improving first impressions may have a much greater impact. The goal isn't to create the nicest house in the neighborhood. The goal is to make thoughtful decisions based on your specific home and today's market. Step 5, get professional advice before spending money. This is where families can save themselves a tremendous amount of stress. Before hiring contractors or ordering materials, have someone walk through the property with you. An experienced local realtor can help identify improvements that are likely to matter, projects that probably won't, items buyers commonly notice, opportunities to save money. At the Fox Real Estate Group, one of our favorite conversations is helping families understand where they can avoid unnecessary work. Sometimes the best advice we give: don't spend that money. And sometimes we recommend a few strategic improvements that can make a meaningful difference. Every home deserves its own plan. If you're asking, should I fix up my parents' house before selling it? Here's the answer: not necessarily. Start by identifying needed repairs. Avoid unnecessary remodeling. Focus on cleanliness and presentation. And get professional advice before spending money. The right strategy depends on your home's condition, your goals, and the local market. Selling a parent's home doesn't have to mean months of expensive renovations. In many cases, a thoughtful plan can help you save time, reduce stress, and make confident decisions about where to invest and where not to. If you're helping parents or grandparents in Vancouver, Camas, Battleground, Ridgefield, Washougal, Salmon Creek, anywhere in Clark County, we'd be happy to walk through the property with you and share our recommendations. No pressure, no obligation, just practical guidance to help your family decide on the best path forward. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, please. Next time, we're tackling another question we hear from families all the time. Mom doesn't want to move. Now what? We'll talk about why resistance is so common, how to have productive conversations, and a way to move forward without damaging the relationship. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.